guys, today I'm gonna rank now each Mario Party jamboree character. Let's start with Mario. Mario A, Luigi, maybe S, Peach, C, Daisy B, and or not, maybe Daisy C too. Wario C, Luigi B, Yoshi S, and Toad. Let's press B. Toad S. Yeah, the S there. Rosalina. I guess B. DK. C. Birdo. B. Pauline. C. Bowser. S. Gumbo. S. Shy Guy. A. Koopa. S. Mounty Mole. A. Bowser Jr. S. Boo. A. Spike S, and Ninja A. Yeah, those are guys. I'm gonna read them off. And I still have Luigi, Yoshi, Toad, Bowser, Goomba, Koopa Troopa, Bowser Jr., and also Spike. In A tier we have Mario, Boo, Ninja, Shy Guy, Mounty Mole. In B tier we have Luigi, Rosalina, Birdo, and Toadette. In C tier, we have Peach, Daisy, Pauline, Wario, and DK. But in D tier, I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna put. Might put somebody or not. I don't know. Yeah, I might put somebody in D tier. I guess I'm gonna put Pauline in D tier. And also Peach, because Peach is evil. Maybe not. I don't know. Still, I'm gonna put Peach and Pauline in D. And C we have DK, Daisy, Wario, B Luigi, Toadette, Rosalina, and Birdo. In A tier we have Ninja, Mario, Boo, Shy Guy, Mounty Mole. In S tier of Yoshi, Luigi, Toad, Bowser, Goomba, Koopa Troopa, Bowser Jr., and also Spike. And also, guys, if you agree with me, let me in the comments. And also, guys, do you agree with me? These characters are gonna put right, or you might change it a little bit. And also, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care, everybody. And also, guys, please subscribe if you want to.